In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and set up a project in Asana. Whether you're new to project management or simply aiming to streamline your workflow, Asana is an incredibly powerful tool that will help you stay organized and on track. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to locate the Create button in the top left corner of your screen. Go ahead and click it. You'll see a drop-down menu appear, and from here, you should select Project. This step marks the beginning of your project setup process. Once you've clicked on Project, Asana offers a few choices to tailor the project to your needs. You can create a project from scratch, use a pre-designed template, or even import data from another tool or a spreadsheet. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll stick with the simplest option, creating a blank project. This approach gives you a clean slate to work from and allows you to customize according to your own requirements. After choosing to create a blank project, it's important to give your project a distinct name. This not only helps you, but it also aids any team members who will collaborate on the project. You'll also notice that there are options to select different views for your project. These views can be really helpful for visualizing tasks in various formats. Though to keep things straightforward today, I'll leave them deselected. You can explore and select views later that best align with your workflow. Once you've named your project and chosen your settings, simply click Create Project. And just like that, your project is ready to go. Now let's talk about organizing your project. Projects in Asana are structured like a table, but you have the flexibility to customize them to suit your unique needs. For instance, by clicking the plus icon next to the last column, you can add a new field. You might decide to add a number field for budgeting or a date field if you're keen on managing deadlines. This flexibility is fantastic as it lets you design a project layout that works specifically for you. To further improve your project's organization, you can add sections. To do this, click on Add Section at the bottom of your project, give it a name, and start grouping related tasks within it. This helps in bringing clarity and structure to your project, making it easier to manage. Finally, to start building your workflow, click the Add Task button located in the top left corner. Here you can name tasks, assign details, and begin filling your project with actionable items. And there you have it. These are the basic steps to creating a project in Asana. With this solid foundation in place, you'll be well prepared to explore more advanced features as your projects advance and grow. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy project management with Asana.